Phil, we're back from Disney, and you know what that means? Disney haul! Alright guys, we are back from our March 2021 Disney World vacation. It's okay, we'll be back sooner than you think. But we did get a couple things while we were at the parks. It filled my table over there, so more than a couple things. Let's just dive in and show you what we got. As always, I will be doing all the pins in a separate video for you guys, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Half of this video, I'm just gonna let you guys know, is gonna be mugs of assorted mugs for all different types of beverages. So Phil, why don't you start us off with a mug? These are the mugs we always get at Disney.
These ones are completely unused. They are brand new.
Yes. I feel like maybe we should give these away in like a giveaway or something.
Why? Because we never drank out of them?
Yeah, and also, so I posted a picture of the mugs on Instagram, and I've never gotten so many messages about an Instagram story ever. So yes, these are our mugs. They are both the same. The only difference is mine has the pink accent color and Phil's has the green, but they have Toy Story, Cars. This is actually, I just realized it's all Pixar. How about that? Good Dinosaur, Magic Kingdom. Two of the many mugs that we have to show you today. All right, next up, one of my favorite merch items to get is jewelry, because it's something that I can actually use and wear every single day. So I got two little jewelry pieces. First up are these earrings. They're little pearl earrings, and they have a little mini bow on them. They're really cute. They're like a rose gold bow with the pearl. These are super fun. They were the only ones available when I got them in the store, and I really didn't see them anywhere else, so I was happy to find them. And then the other earrings that I got are these little Mickey rhinestone earrings. So I have the standard tri-rhinestone Mickey earrings, but these had like a big rhinestone and then little rhinestones all around. They're pretty rose gold color, and they're a nice size too. This was the most popular item in our last video. You guys put it in the comments when we asked what your favorite item was, but this is a newer version. Ah.
So this is the Menehune icon from the Polynesian lobby, and it says Disney's Polynesian Villa in kind of like the newer like cartoony script with some flowers and pineapples on it. And the lights turn on and they flicker. It's really heavy. It's much heavier than the last one. It feels way better built.
So Phil, are we gonna put this one downstairs?
Nope. He's gonna join his brother on my bar.
Oh, we need one to go downstairs. So we have this puffer that we left at home when we were in Disney. We had to get him a treat because he's the best dog in the whole wide world, little Zeus. He already sees that I have this in my hands and he's like really excited. But we got him this little monorail squeaker toy.
Oh, Popper, is it squeaking?
He loves it already.
Oh, it's almost too big for him to grab. And he's really going ham on that thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing he's so tiny.
This is, I think he's having PTSD because Phil, a couple trips ago, I got Phil a toy monorail because I thought it would, like, remote controls around. I thought it would be fun for him to play with Zeus. Zeus hates the monorail. First, when we first got it, he was scared of it, and now he hates it and like will go and grab it. So I think he knows that this is the monorail and he doesn't like it.
So this is probably the best mug.
Polynesian.
It's a coconut. It's blue inside.
Yeah, it's really pretty, and it has the handle has like a little bamboo detail, and it says Polynesian Village Resort on it.
Yeah, and I'm super excited about it. By the way, all these mugs are mine. Polly didn't get a single mug.
Phil doesn't drink coffee, so I don't know. I'm feeling like he can't use 10 mugs at a time, so we could probably share. All right, next up, every time we go to Disney, I have to get a new Lily because it's like the only place that they have an actual store that I frequent. So I got this really cute little dress. It's kind of got like a flouncy little bottom here.
Flouncy.
And it's got little pockets also. They're not actually super functional. And then on the back, it kind of has this like X detailing. So super comfy dress. I love that it had the little fishes on it. I love the colors. Super excited to have a new one.
Next up, it's not quite a mug, but it is drinkware. You
It's
can also
called a mug. Are they called mugs?
yes, technically I guess it is a tiki mug.
Yeah.
So I guess it's a mug. But you can also find these little guys harassing Chewbacca in the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon.
Oh no, it's a pork. We adopted a pork, guys.
I don't know what noise porks make. So, but,
He's really cute though.
yes. I believe that if you order the Cliff Dweller, which is a non-alcoholic
Yes, that's
drink,
what I got.
yes, non-alcoholic drink at Olga's Cantina, you can get this glass.
And it was a really good drink. And speaking of Olga's Cantina, these are totally free. But we got all of these coasters.
Yeah, these are coasters.
So there's the side that has Olga's Cantina, and then the other side there's assorted designs. So the first side is like these little axes with Star Wars writing. So the next one is a monster from Star Wars. There's also, I don't know, it looks like a wing of a ship maybe with a logo. The last one, which is absolutely the best,
Is an Ewok with a little drink.
and he's smiling. So these are fun because they were completely free. We took some from the table, but I also found when I got home, the bag that our little pork mug was in, the waitress stuffed in some more coasters for us. That
Which was
really
very nice
sweet.
of her.
Yeah. I also forgot to show you guys this one item that Phil got. It is the Frontierland Magic Band. So Phil has a bunch of these, and this will be a great addition to his collection. Another mug, guys.
The next mug we have is
Ooh, Trader Sam.
Trader Sam's tiki mug.
Grotto.
This is like a just like a totem. It's just a totem, and it's a nice glass. You could drink beer out of it or like a mixed drink. I'm probably gonna use it for like pina coladas and stuff. So I gotta get some of those little umbrellas. But this is an awesome.
That's like
glass.
a classic tiki mug. It's really cute.
Yeah, I have the brother or sister of this mug already in there.
All right, and then back to my Lily stuff. It always comes in a reusable bag at Lily, which I absolutely love. And then they also give us a free gift this trip. It's like this little zip pouch, which is actually really nice. Kind of like beach pouch, so it doesn't get wet.
Beach pouch, y'all.
The Lily bag has some pretty orchids on it and bright pink springy colors. There's tigers on the bottom too. And then the pouch is kind of like blue and purple colors, also very pretty, and of course it has gold on it, which I love.
The last tiki mug was actually a surprise because we made our way over to the Polynesian and up to my favorite bar on property, which is the Tambu Lounge, and they had this guy.
This one's really cool. I love the color.
It's blue and white, and it's got surfboard art on it.
Yeah.
And it, I forget the name of the drink. It was like the Waikiki Surfer or something like that, but it was a special drink. You can't buy the mug without getting the drink, so...
Had to get the drink.
Whatever. The drink was okay. It
was not good. It was terrible.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. But the mug was awesome, so it was worth it, and it's going into my tiki mug collection. It's a first edition, and I'm super excited about it because it's a great, well-made mug.
Phil, I think you're officially also a tiki mug collector.
I am actually. So.
Wow. So many collections in this house.
Oh well.
Okay, super excited. This is actually something for my mom. I seriously cannot wait to give it to her. But this just came out, I want to say maybe the day or very close to the day that we went into World of Disney. This whole collection. But they're Mother's Day shirts. So this says best mom ever, and it has the castle in the mom, and the O in the mom is like a Mickey ears. So super cute. Very nice fabric on this too, super lightweight. I think she's really gonna like wearing this shirt. This is for my mom, but we both have the best moms ever, right, Phil?
That's right.
Okay,
So,
this is the thing I want most from Phil, and I'm definitely gonna steal, even though he doesn't want me to.
no, she's not going to steal it. In fact, I'm going to put it somewhere where she can't reach it.
No!
But I'm not a big fan of Starbucks at all, but this mug was too cool to pass up. It's the Animal Kingdom. Like,
Yeah. They have these for every park.
ceramic tumbler type deal. And it's got the Tree of Life on it. It's got Mickey Mouse. It's got Dinosaur, Flight of Passage, Festival of the Lion King. It's got Kevin, Kilimanjaro Safaris, and Expedition Everest.
Where's Kevin? Oh my gosh. It's really cool.
Yeah. And it's got Simba and Kali River Rapids, and it's amazing.
And the top opens really interesting. It like rotates open.
And it rotates open, and it seals with like a rubber seal, so it's not going to leak all over the place. So it's great. And if I ever wanted like an iced coffee, I could take it in the Starbucks and be like, hey, fill this for me with deliciousness. Or I could just drink like hot cocoa out of it during Christmas, or I can drink juice out. I drink whatever I want. I know it's made for coffee, but it's not going to get used.
One of the things I always have to get on our trip, typically, in addition to pins and ears, which I didn't get ears this trip. Wah, wah. There wasn't any. There wasn't any new ones, but there was this awesome Spirit jersey. So it's kind of like this light purple color, monochromatic purple on purple. It has like the little it has the little Disney emblem on the front with 1971 and the Walt Disney World on the back. Phil just loves making weird faces.
So this is the last mug of the show, and it's not my favorite one, but it's the best. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it is this one.
It's really
and
cool.
It is the Animal Kingdom Tree of Life mug. Everything that's carved into the Tree of Life's bark is on this mug, and it's textured and it's awesome, and I love it, and don't ever touch it.
It's really cool. I think we should put this in our bathroom and put like stuff in it, like your toothbrush or something, so it stays nice forever. Phil hates that idea. All right, the next thing we got is this little trinket tray. It's really cute. They have these in all different like park.
They had all the park icons for them.
Basically. But this is Animal Kingdom, so it has a Tree of Life in the center, and then it's gonna have all the different like rides of Animal Kingdom all around. It is really cute. I think we'll probably, if I can convince Phil, use this in our bathroom, because our upstairs bathroom is gonna be like Animal Kingdom safari themed.
I want a beach towel, so I got a beach towel. Ta-da!
It says the Polynesian Village Resort. It's really cool. And then on the other side, it's just this whole pattern of,
Many Hunas.
yeah,
Upside down Many Hunas, just for you folks.
really cute.
Yeah, so I've always wanted a cool beach towel, and now I finally have one.
Are you gonna bring that to Disney now?
I'm gonna bring it swimming. No, I'm not gonna bring it to Disney because I don't want to lose it, and it's too big. It's bulky. It weighs too much.
Then I feel like we always have to get something artistic. So we got a couple art prints. One is for us. It's this Lilo and Stitch. They're like at a legit luau. It's so cute.
Jun Kim.
Is the artist, and actually the artist of all of these. This is probably my favorite Disney artist. I think we already have a couple of his pieces downstairs.
We assume it's a he. We don't know. We have to look it up. It's just as easy.
He or she is an incredible artist. So yes, Lilo and Stitch right here is our first one. Then I got my dad this adorable Orange Bird one. Orange Bird is his absolute favorite, and this has Dole Whips and oranges on it. And then my dad also loves the Three Caballeros, so we got him the little Three Caballeros.
I'm a little jealous of that one, but
Yeah,
it doesn't
it's
match
pretty
anything
cute.
in the house. This is the last item for our haul. And it's also one of the coolest, and I'm kind of jealous. Pauline handed it to me. She's like, my dad would love this. I'm like, oh my God, yeah, he would. And I was already in the line to check out, so I wasn't really thinking about it. We should have gotten two, because I would love to have one for myself. But we got him this awesome Orange Bird pen.
Yes.
He is an attorney, and he probably flies through pens, and this is probably going to be his favorite pen ever.
Yeah. He's probably not going to want to use it. It's going to be like for display only.
Yeah, he's going to put it up in its little box and he's going to look at it. It's going to make him happy.
Yes. So it just doesn't have Orange Bird. It has all different Magic Kingdoms.
Doesn't matter. We got it because it's got Orange Bird.
Right on the top. But this Jared Mayuma, this is an artist that they did a whole collection with. There's so many items now of his stuff in the parks, and I have seen a ton of them, but I didn't see this pen until we went into the parks.
Gerard Maruyama. Yes, Maruyama.
Yeah. Some of these artists have challenging names, but they do fantastic work.
There's only one problem.
Yes.
Does it have it on the pen?
There is a figment.
Oh no.
Where?
It's on the pen.
So you can't have it? Can we like put a sticker over that part?
I just feel bad giving it to your dad.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna love Orange Bird on top.
It's got Orange Bird on it too, so that makes up for it.
Phil, what is your favorite item?
The Menehuna statue that I got, a little tiki god with a little G.
I can't decide between the earrings and my shirt, but I also love the Lily stuff. Probably the Spirit jersey though. I will wear that the most out of everything.
I might wear it too. Okay guys, comment below. Tell us down there what your favorite item that we got is, what it was. If there's any merch that you know of in the parks right now that you'd like to have that you think that we would think is cool.
Well guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you real soon. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.